Short little lesson on how to add and subtract fractions. When you're adding or subtracting fractions, you need to have a common denominator. Okay? So the denominator is the bottoms. If the bottoms need to be the same. If they are the same, you can simply just add up your tops. 1 plus 2 is 3 over 5 and 5 is 5. So 3 over 5. Okay? The denominators stay the same. Okay? If your denominators are not the same, so I have 3/4 plus 1/2. Okay, denominators are not the same. I need to make them so the same. So something that they both go into, both 4 and 2 go into, is they both go into 4. Okay, so I'll leave over 4. So my first fraction stays the same, but on my second fraction, I need that denominator to be a 4. That means I need to multiply my entire fraction by 2. I need to double the entire fraction, both the top and the bottom. So it'll be over 4 on the bottom, and the top times 2 is 2. Now my bottoms are the same. Now I can add them up. When I add them up, I want to have it over 4. Bottoms stay the same, but I add my tops, add the numerators. 3 plus 2 is 5, so I have 5 over 4. Now I can reduce that down to 1 1/4 as a mixed fraction. 5 over 9 plus 9 over 2. Now I need something that they both go into. Both 9 and the 2 go into. If you're not sure of what works, multiply 9 times 2. Multiply your denominators together, and you get 18. So 18 would be a denominator that will work for both. Sometimes there's ones that are lower, but the trick of multiplying the two denominators together always works for finding a common denominator. So that means I had to multiply this first fraction, entire thing, by 2, top and bottom. So 18 for the bottom and 10 for the top. And the second fraction, I need to get to 18, means I need to multiply the entire thing by the other denominator of 9. So 9 times 2 on the denominator, 18. 9 times 1 for the top is 19. What I do to the bottom, I got to do to the top. Now my denominators are the same, so I can add them up. I'm going to have over 18, it stays the same, and 10 plus 9 is 19. So which can be reduced down to 1 1/18, okay, as a mixed fraction. If I start off with a mixed fraction, an option is to turn it into an improper one to get started. So I'm going to multiply 5 times 2 plus 3. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13 over 5 plus 2/3. The denominators are not the same, so I need a common denominator. I can do 5 times 3, which is 15, as my common denominator, which means I'm multiplying this first entire fraction gets multiplied by 3. And this second entire fraction is again multiplied by 5. What I do to the bottom, I got to do the top. Now I've already done the bottoms, so the top, 3 times 13 is 39, and 2 times 5 is 10. My denominators are the same, now I can add them up, over 15, and I would have 49 over 15, and I can reduce that down to 3 4/15 if I want to put into lower terms. So this is a short little lesson on how to add and subtract fractions. Thank you very much.